This video will demonstrate how to install a resource locally into a Bibledit client. While Bibledit displays resources, it actually fetches the text from the resources on the internet. But what to do when there is no connection to the internet? Bibledit tries to fetch the resources, but fails to do so. This can be solved, because resources can be installed and stored for offline use. To do that, we click on Settings in the main menu, and then on Resources. Choose the resources to be installed. Each resource has a link, and clicking that link will start the process of installing that resource locally, on your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. The progress of the installation is visible in the journal. Bibledit Cloud is different from Bibledit Client. Since the Cloud edition runs on the internet, it always has a connection to the internet, so it can always fetch any resource. Therefore, Bibledit Cloud cannot install a resource, but a Bibledit client can. If we want to interrupt the process of installing a resource on a Bibledit client, we can do so by clicking on Settings in the main menu, and then on Resources. At the top of the page, it gives information about the resource being installed. We click Cancel to interrupt it. After interruption, we can restart the installation again. It will just continue where it had been interrupted. To do that, we click the resource and start installing it. To remove an installed resource, we simply click Clear. This way we can add many resources. Thank you for watching.